Kevin, it's Fed week. And while everyone's expecting another quarter point cut, what is the real effect of that cut on not only interest rates, but the overall economy?
Great question, Jennifer. And the benefit of the Fed funds rate cut is that short-term money is going to become cheaper. Things like your car payment is going to be cheaper, the potential to refinance that. Your credit cards, if you're carrying a debt, that's going to be lowered. You're going to have a little bit more cash flow. And that's the beauty of the Fed funds rate cut. The long-term effect on interest rates, probably going to be something that we're going to see down the road. The market has already baked it in. The market is forward thinking, especially the treasury market. The big dynamic is going to be, what does the Fed have to say? Chairman Powell is going to speak after the announcement. Does he become more dovish or hawkish? Inflation is remaining sticky. And if you peel back that onion a little bit from Friday of last week, we're going to see that super core is rising a little bit. To me, the Fed needs to be really careful of what they're doing, because the last thing they need is for inflation to spike back up. And the other thing, the beauty of the short term is that it's cheaper money for businesses to go borrow from lenders. Now they can decrease their operating costs and maybe turn a lot of that over to the general consumer. One thing to note is, if we're looking at interest rates overall, should that quarter point move to rates, it's roughly about $40 to $60 a month for $100,000 borrowed. So if you're looking at a $500,000 loan, you're looking at about a $200 to $300 savings as this continues to trickle down. We are in a rate reduction environment. The strategy I'm implementing for my clients is, let's look at using yield spread to pay for closing costs. Then when the timing is absolutely right and we perceive that interest rates have bottomed out, then you pull the trigger on paying your own closing costs.
That's how the Fed's timing affects what's in your wallet.
Yes.